Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Pro mode on the camera of your Redmi 17. First of all, we have to open camera and select Pro mode on the toolbar. Now here we can switch between video recording and taking photo by tapping right here. We can also manually adjust each of the specific video or photo capturing values like shutter speed. We also can change the ISO. We can manually change white balance and autofocus. We can also change the lens that we want to use to take a photo or record a video. And to take a simple photo, we basically need to do nothing less than we would normally do on a regular camera. By the way, if you want to reset your parameters, you have to tap right here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.